birthday
to happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Oma. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Yay.
Can August sing? Oh. Say happy birthday, Emma.
Happy birthday, Emma.
Can you help August blow out the candles?
Cat? Oh, turn on a cake.
How old are you? Push the star button to light the candles.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candles. Birthday time! Sing along. Push the buttons during the song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Emma. Happy birthday to you.
Blow out the candles.
Happy birthday!
Let me blow the candles too.
Yay!
With Emma.
Happy birthday, Emma.